Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's expression is no strings attached. Have you ever heard someone use this phrase? Let's find out what it means. The expression no strings attached means something is offered without conditions, obligations, or expectations. In other words, you don't have to give anything back. Here's an example. She offered to help me with my project. No strings attached. This means she helped without expecting anything in return. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the expression no strings attached? Thank you for learning with Everyday English Treats. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!